here at the garage. Prayoonto just installed the Centerfeed with the 90,000 cc injectors, or 1,000 plus, hybrid racing fuel rail, all motor car. Currently putting on the intake with the V-stack. It fit perfect. All he had to cut with that little piece of the grill. That shit look badass, yo. Go to the interior of the car. Full race car. Still a street car. You can still drive it on the street. AEM air to fuel. This guy's personal. This is his mom's steering wheel. He has a switch panel. I believe it's in his box. Yes, here we go. From WireWare. Purchased at Tri-State Motorsports. So this will go in here somewhere. All the harness, push button. Real nice and clean. Staging brake. I believe this is a Buddy Club shifter. Really nice. Really nice. Carbon wrapped roof, full blocks drag suspension. It's the owner, Petey Guns.